Hold on to your seats. This is not what most people expected. Chimurenga music legend Thomas Mapfumo, Mukanya, has dropped a massive bombshell. In a video that is trending right now, the Lion of Zimbabwe has confirmed that he has finally agreed to come back to Zimbabwe after years in exile. And yes, it is connected to none other than controversial businessman Sir Wicknell Chivayo's $1 million offer.
Makadi mose vateereri vechimurenga music ini ndiri Mukanya kana kuti Thomas Mapfumo ndati tikuudzei kuti tiri kuuya kuZimbabwe, tiri kuuya zvakare kuzoridza kubirthday raWicknell Chivayo nemuchato waJah Praiser mwana kwandiri ka anotofarawo kuti ndakamuridzirawo muchato wake, saka tiri kuuya zvakare. Tinoda kuzoita redu rinonzi bira guru iyai, asi takutaurirai kuti tiri kuuya kuZimbabwe kuzoridza pamuchato waJah Praiser nebirthday raWicknell. Ibasa iri hatisi kuita zveimwe zvinayo, ndezvebasa zvatiri kuita, ibasa ratakapiwa. Saka tachiti kutaurirei kuti mogara makagadzirira tozofara tiri pamwe chete. Yanguva refu tiri kuno kuAmerica, tagara makore tisingaonani, saka isi toda kuti tikuoneiwo. Tatenda.
Remember when Mukanya completely humiliated Wicknell, refusing a free car and house, calling it dirty money? Well, the tables have turned, and Mukanya says this is strictly business. Is this a complete U-turn, or is Mukanya playing smart? Let's break down exactly what happened, what he said, and why social media is on fire right now. The background. To understand why this new video is shocking everyone, we have to look back at how this beef started. So Wicknell has been splashing millions gifting luxury cars to local artists. He tried to extend that olive branch to Mukanya, offering him a $200,000 luxury ride and a $300,000 house in Zimbabwe. But Mukanya boldly shut it down. He said he couldn't accept gifts bought with money taken from poor Zimbabweans while public hospitals don't even have basic medication. Wicknell didn't take that rejection well. He hit back on social media, mocking Mukanya's finances, especially after news broke that Mukanya's US home suffered fire damage. It looked like these two would never breathe the same air again. The plot twist. But check out the plot twist. Wicknell changed his strategy. Instead of offering free political gifts, he offered work. Chivayo publicly offered Mapfumo a staggering $1 million, that's $500,000 per show, to perform at two major events, Chivayo's own upcoming birthday celebration and contemporary star Jah Praiser's wedding. And that brings us to the video that dropped today. Mukanya has officially broken his silence. He clarified that accepting a massive performance fee to do his job is completely different from accepting political bribes or free handouts. In his own words, this is work. He is a musician, performing is his trade, and if someone is willing to pay him his worth professionally, he will take the contract and step onto Zimbabwean soil once again. As you can imagine, this has divided Zimbabweans down the middle. One side is saying Mukanya has been compromised and that he shouldn't have given Wicknell the satisfaction. But his die-hard fans are defending him, saying, business is business. Why should a legend refuse a cool $1 million paycheck for his hard work just because of politics? At his advanced age, securing his bag through his talent is his right. But what do you think? Has Mukanya done the right thing by accepting this $1 million professional deal, or do you feel it contradicts his previous stance? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest news and reaction videos here on the channel. See you in the next video.